World business analysts at last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are defective and unsteady. The world necessitates a significantly more steady and solid money. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning manageability and adaptability. Be that as it may, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. On numerous occasions, the mixture agreement system of blockchain and different tokens rotating around it has likewise been in warmed conversations. Before we dive into the TEZOS cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the extraordinary elements of TEZOS. In any case, not many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchange in local area. Tremendous exchange charges and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in logically evolved stages. Numerous digital forms of money neglected to change these issues. Digital forms of money like TEZOS has step by step swarmed the standard cognizance and built up forward movement. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so give it sees a mass reception. Despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain, neither the source nor the beneficiary and not even the sum moved is in any capacity obvious to different clients on the organization. The whole system of TEZOS depends on zero revelation proof, accordingly permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange technique, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Putting the power eventually in the possession of the client, TEZOS has standard update plans, and that implies this convention is versatile to meet the shifted use instances of today and the unexpected use instances of tomorrow. TEZOS can trap fake or deceptive exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the previous block. TEZOS cost forecast has genuinely somersaulted somewhat recently, absolutely changing the pattern from the start towards the year's end. XTZ has had a memorable excursion all through. All said and done, XTZ pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for coalitions. New organizations would carry XTZ to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded cryptographic money. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an intense test for crypto opponents of XTZ. The last year was provoking with energy to express by primarily because of pandemic negative patterns winning carrying the coin to 90 pennies. Notwithstanding, the start of 2022 implied XTZ could offer a buy to all negative and critical patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for XTZ. It could mean the beginning of a period of expectations and commitments brimming with good faith. There could be an estimate of wonders in the realm of digital currencies like XTZ, there could be enchantment temporarily. 5 years is quite a while. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the present moment. As indicated by the most recent long haul TEZOS cost figure, the coin cost will hit $5 by the center of 2022 and afterward $10 toward the finish of 2024. By 2022, the normal cost of TEZOS will be at $1.7. Greatest cost $1.97, least cost $1.53. TEZOS cost gauge toward the finish of 2022 may be around $1.65. In the event that XTZ lives to the point of seeing 2025, that would mean the venture endured over the extreme long haul, conveyed the arranged item and has a steady, developing client base. That implies XTZ would cost around $55 per coin. In view of our gauges, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2027 is $12.151 US. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 217.76%. TEZOS value forecast 2022. In the event that all market factors turn for TEZOS, this digital money cost will perform extravagantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned, violating all constraints throughout the following year. Despite the fact that it might show a few drowsy patterns, it would unquestionably give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Supported by powerful brilliant agreements, the TEZOS cost may handily contact $5.60. Before the year's over 2022. TEZOS Value Expectation 2023. The brains cut the usefulness behind TEZOS digital money. Consequently, over a time of, say, 3 years, the token is set to quit slacking with different coins to show up at $6.8 cost. Financial backers, notwithstanding, need to keep an eye out for any unanticipated variables. No one could foresee the pandemic. TEZOS Value Forecast 2024. Keeping in context, there are no boomerang impacts in the cryptographic money markets. TEZOS is good to go to confirm areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is brimming with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the TEZOS coin cost, taking it across all hindrances scaling $8. TEZOS Value Expectation 2025. A stunning positive thinking is likewise anticipated for the XTZ cost, chiefly because of its steady presentation throughout the long term. Thus this year will be uber motherlode for the cryptographic money market as the valued computerized resource will outperform all assumptions and flood in front of its significant opposition level. Seeing an ascent more than ever, the TEZOS cost makes certain to cross another unsurpassed high of $10 from where it stands today. TEZOS Value Expectation 2026. Presumably, a simple to utilize TEZOS, XTZ, is great. It is more useful and promising when it is not difficult to spend. TEZOS laid out a quick, solid organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the XTZ with valuing increment a lot higher to the new all-time high around the $12 mark. If the drive for useful crypto go on into 2026, the TEZOS value changes might try and see a colossal development in the following couple of years. Numerous crypto market tutors dread that it might see some highs and lows. Be that as it may, these misgivings may not hold for a really long time. As at last, the TEZOS coin will balance out to bring heroic returns for its financial backers. Everything relies upon the group action, expected innovative leap forward, or undeniable level associations. As concurred previously, TEZOS needs to do a gigantic update in building organizations and joint efforts that increment perceivability and implant more assets into the venture, making it significant for every one of the clients and financial backers the same. It would be then expanding in cost complex. Without a doubt, TEZOS, XTZ, has extraordinary potential and will generally be the most alluring digital currencies basically due to high exchange security combined with speed scaling a pinnacle of above $10 without a doubt on a more top-to-bottom specialized investigation. What is not yet clear is the way the mining certainly stands out of state-run administrations overall.